today we have bad news. One of our pet has died. So this is the olive, our turtle actually. So we're going down to bury her. Right, Isabella?
I should have took a picture.
Yes. So she died actually today. So
Wait, what is this? Just look at it.
where are you going? Come, just press again. So now we're going down
Yes,
in
and
our
I'm also
building,
starting.
and we're gonna bury her in the deserted area. I cannot just dump her.
Hello?
And I cannot just dump her in the garbage because
Hello, so
she is our pet, so it's not a trash.
nothing.
So
Olive died.
yes.
And I have pets.
Come na. First we Bella, pick up flower. You pick up flower. I'll do it because this is a sharp one. It's quite windy. Can you just hold this? Hold this. Just pick up a flower. Just a little bit. It's just a little bit. Come. Let's go here. That is the school. Come na, give it to me. Come na. Come here. Hey.
Very sad.
It's so hard. That is our building behind our back. That's our building at the back. Desert Sun Tower. Wait lang. Okay, come.
So, let's walk inside.
My daughter's also doing her vlog. Actually, she's not well. She has fever since Wednesday. And now I think she's doing fine. She's doing okay now. But now I'm sick.
And my legs are cramping.
Yes, and now I'm sick actually. I have some sore throat and I'm feverish. So let's see where we're gonna put him. Bella, Dada said he's here. Dada is at the back. See, Dada is at the back. We just bury him this side. Come here. Come here, Bella. So guys, we have chosen the spot. This is our building. Sorry. This is our building. And this is the wall. So, Bella will dig in this part. Yes,
Yeah?
this side.
Yeah?
You dig in the soft place. Okay, that one. Say, dig it. It's Bella. No, slowly.
How do you even bury?
Slowly. Let me show you how you do it. Because the sand, no, just have to do like this softly. Just like this, like that only. You have to make like that only. You don't have to throw like this only.
Okay.
Make it a little dip. I said what I said.
I'm doing that only. I'm shaking off.
Okay, I think I have to do it, Bella. You are not managing it. Come, I'll do it. I'll do it. So hard. Yes.
I should wash my only leg,
Yes.
right?
Yep.
You should also.
Yeah, I know.
This is dirty.
I think this one is perfect now.
We should wash ourselves after this.
Yes.
Hands and legs.
Okay, guys. As you can see, this is enough. Sorry for my voice. Actually, I'm not really well. Okay.
Okay.
So
We're gonna
now,
see the bird.
this
Oh,
is
wait. Okay, go.
this is my poor olive.
Show them the olive. Show them. Show them olive. They are gonna see my beautiful olive.
See?
And let them also see. He passed away.
Died.
He's sad. He passed away.
Bella? Wait na, Bella.
He passed away today. The key fell down, by the way. He passed away. This little guy passed away.
So now we have to
We have to bury
cover
him.
her
Cover her
with the
and bury him.
tissue because I don't have a small box at home. So this one is okay. So just put it down there. Just put it down. Bye, Olive. Thank you for all the happy memories.
Goodbye, Olive. Rest in peace.
So we bury her. Rest in peace, Olive.
It was nice knowing you for a few months.
Yes, so sad. What to do? Okay.
You're just the most strong one, though.
Yes. Ginger is so long with us. It's going to be a year. So this is the final resting place of Olive. That's all, guys. We have buried Olive here. And we say our what? Final goodbye with heavy heart.
Said their final goodbyes.
Yes, so that's it. She's still actually a baby. I don't know why. Maybe she falls sick or something. But I feed her. Excuse me. Actually, I feed her every day. I don't know what goes wrong. Why she passed away. So sad. What to do? So anyway,
Next time,
that's all for today, guys.
Next time we will get another one, but with you, so she can have company.
Yes, maybe she died in sadness because she's actually alone. So we
Yeah,
are
because
planning.
I'm busy with school.
Yes, we are planning to get a new one, but this time we're gonna take two, so each of them has companion. So that's all for today, guys. It's a sad news, but it's okay. So I hope to see you to our next one. See you na, Bella. What you say? Bye.